सा वो भी सी लेंगे ना।
हाँ जी उन्होंने तो पैसे की ढेर पा रखे तां ही तेरे को पैसे मंगा सकते।
These are all seal chicks at IK Eggs and IK Poultry Farms. Growing poults. These are poults at IK Poultry. This one is a fighter seal. Violent and aggressive, having the quality of killing its opponent within minutes. And recently it has won a 50,000 prize and stood first in a fighting competition as well in Barki. It is usually said जो seal मुर्गी होती है वो over the year 40 eggs, it has the capacity of laying 40 eggs approximately, not more than that. So eggs fertility में ये it's not as good as other chickens like Australops and Plymouth Sussex. It is altogether a different breed of chicks. When we talk about Aseel word is derived from Arabic language. It means purity, pure, asli. That is why it is called Aseel. And this breed is called Aseel breed. It is the most violent and most aggressive fighting breed of Aseel Murgh. Renowned, well known, famous. After that, there comes Shammu breed, having origin of Japan. It is second to none and it is a fighter, aggressive, violent breed as well. Thank you so much for being with us. Fi amanullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.